When I went to Disneyland this year, I came home with several paper Fastpasses tagging along in my bag. Certain rides and attractions at Disneyland and California Adventure allow guests to scan their park tickets and print out a paper Fastpass ticket with a return time. These slips are free and intended to save you time from having to wait in line. They are pretty cute, and I wanted to make some sort of souvenir out of them. I got this photo frame for free on the Facebook Marketplace. Someone was moving and posted several items they just needed gone by the end of the week, so it didn't cost any money. The picture frame needs to be larger than the photo you want to frame. I got quite a few Fastpasses for a 4-day trip. I don't know if this is because there were less people due to the oncoming pandemic, or if this is normal, but I think you could make this with less. I'm placing them to fill outside the border around the edge. On this trip, I was excited to see the Tiny Castle, to see Cars Land, to ride the Fun Wheel everyone says makes you sick but is actually a lot of fun, and to give it a shot trying to get a boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance. I was even surprised to find our trip was during Abraham Lincoln's birthday, which we learned after visiting Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln. But there was one thing I was excited for more than anything else. Not riding one of these sweet scooters, though I do feel like it won't be long before I need one of these. No, what I was looking forward to and insisted multiple times prior to our trip was that we must get a photo with the Millennium Falcon. I was very excited to visit the new Star Wars themed land, Galaxy's Edge, and along with getting the photo, we enjoyed exploring the area, riding the rides, encountering stormtroopers, and buying overpriced drinks at the cantina. Back to the Fastpasses. After getting an idea of where to position them, I taped them in place. You can also glue them if you're confident you like the layout. So this is the only part of the souvenir that actually cost money. It was 16 cents to print the photo at a business center. I think you can get a better rate if you print multiple photos, but it was the perfect summary to the trip. I think another cool way to use Fastpasses in a frame like this is if you have an annual trip to get a Fastpass each year and have them show in the frame the year that each of your trips were. Or another way is if you don't have a perfect picture to summarize your trip, to have your celebration button surrounded by Fastpasses, or even just one Fastpass and then surrounded by photos, like a reverse version of what we made in this video. So with the photo and Fastpasses all securely in place, pop it into the frame and that's it. It makes a great souvenir, and it's not that difficult to make, and it looks pretty good.